Hey guys, so I wanted to show y'all really quick some really important info about Earn a Kit. So Earn a Kit's number one, this is a way that consultants can join using free product credit. This is a huge way to set your new consultants up for success. I have done several Earn a Kits this year, and the ones that I have done, all of those consultants are rocking out their business. So I wanted to show you guys, because I'm literally about to close an Earn a Kit right now, a couple things that you need to know. This is Chloe, by the way. Sorry, y'all. My Facebook has literally had me locked out all week, and I can't even talk about it because it gets me in my feels, but this is where we're at. So but with the Earn a Kit, there's a couple really important things that you need to know to make sure that your host gets the most out of the Earn a Kits. A couple tips I want to give you guys. If you're going to do Earn a Kits, number one, you need to go ahead and make sure with every bag party you send out, grab bag, whatever, you need to make sure that you share with the host about how they can earn their $59 kit for free. That's like the first thing I tell every single host. There is host information with the hostess Earn a Kit flyer from the workstation in their bag party. They know about it right from the get-go. Because I'm already setting their goal at 500 anyways with every bag I send out for two reasons. Number one, now with the shipping changes, I tell them, hey, with every party, I'm like, look, we get to 500, we won't have 5% shipping on each person. We don't get to 500, everybody has 5% shipping. So I'm already sharing, look, 5% shipping, we don't want to do that, so let's get to 500. But also, when you get to 500, you can earn your business for free. Your starter kit will be completely free. Plus, you have, $16 left over and 4 half-offs and make $99 in commission. So that's something too that I think Michelle or somebody may have done it, a printout version. I may make one today and upload it for you guys that we can put in bag parties that just says, hey, get to 500. This is the kit you'll get for free. You make $99 in commission. You get this much extra in hostess free product and get 4 half-offs. So I'll probably make a little printout for you guys. But I tell them all of that. And then when I go to close their party, there's a couple really important things you need to know. So let me flip my phone around. So number one, so you can see this hostess. So this is Peyton, my girl that just joined. She got to 516. Okay. So she got, her PRV was 500 though. So we made sure to get her where she wanted to be. I also help them when I'm closing their party, you guys. I help them pick out things that they're going to need for their business. Okay. So I told her to get some bulbs. She also got a ton of like scent circles and bars, pods. I told her to get the fragrance flower, the star wall fan diffuser. And if they don't meet their 500, like Peyton was just shy of it, I said, look, let's get these few items right here, okay, to get you to your 500 because, this is why. It's like a no-brainer. So whenever you go to do their Earn a Kit, you are going to type here, you're going to type in the word kit and it'll come up, okay? And, but you have to be on Hostess Credit, okay? You got to use Hostess Credit to get an Earn a Kit. So you type in kit, if there's English or Spanish, you choose your kit. As soon as you enter that, you need to make sure for your host that you have the correct email logged in. Because as soon as I did her Earn a Kit, I said, hey, check your email and finish the enrollment process. That's step one. Because this only stays on your workstation for 24 hours and then it will delete and you got to do it all over again. So they need to fill out their email as soon as you enter the Earn a Kit. Then you'll log back into the party and you're going to see this come up. This is very important because in order to do the Earn a Kit, I want them to get paid commission for this party because they did all the work. I know sometimes people gift Earn a Kit, so this is different. Like she worked for her orders, so she needs to get paid the commission. This is also going to help her earn Shooting Star. She's halfway to certified, all that. If you do not click yes, okay, so first, let's go back. First, and this is so important because I screwed this up at the beginning of the year so many times. Type in kit with the free product. It will do the $59 kit. It will take off however much you have in free product. That's why you always want to shoot for 500. Okay. So the kit's free with extra left over. Then tell your host to check her email. Then after your host checks her email, she needs to do her enrollment process. I tell them, text me when you do it. Super simple. Then you log back into the party and this pops up under host cart. and it will say, do you want to flip the party? Yes. And it'll be like, okay. And then you go and close it. It's that simple. So I just wanted to show you guys because honestly with the Earn a Kit, I was able to bless 2 people yesterday. One is a teacher. The other one's in childcare. She watched my son when he was 3 years old. And, you know, if I can bless them with the opportunity of getting their business completely free, setting them up with 4 half-offs and $16 more in free product credit and $99 in commission, why would we not do that? So we need to be sharing the Earn a Kit with everybody. That's number one. Every bag party you get out, or if you have somebody that says, you know, I can't afford the kit, it's the perfect opportunity to offer them the Earn a Kit. And like I said, I'm just going to go ahead and make a flyer for you guys so you can have it and you can print it off. I'll make it on Canvas so it's like a good quality. But that way you can print it off and you can stick it in every bag party so they can see, look, you get to 500 with this party, your kit's free, $16 left over in free product, 4 half-offs, and $99 in commission, and you've earned Shooting Star. So don't just offer Earn a Kits, but tell them what they need to do to maximize the Earn a Kit. That's honestly like probably the most important tip I can give you because, you know, even if they do the Earn a Kit at $200, that's great, but we want to maximize the potential and set them up for success. So I hope this was helpful. Tag your team members if they don't understand Earn a Kits. I know there's videos in the workstation as well that can tell you how to do this, but I wanted you to see a visual, and I'll also upload this on YouTube just because I'm a visual person. Sometimes it's really good so you can actually see, you know, this is where the flip party will be. This is what you have to do first. This is how you can maximize it. Because at the end of the day, this is a tool that Scentssy's literally giving us to have these consultants join for free. And it's an incredible tool, and I don't think enough of us use it. And it can set your team members up for success. I mean, earning Shooting Star on day 1, hello, like sign these people up. Like, that's huge. So share all the Earn a Kits. Set big goals for them. Make sure that they fill out the enrollment process. Then you have the opportunity to flip the party and go big or go home. Bye, guys.